Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you latest update from Government of Telangana about extended of holidays and about online exams. All these details I'm going to cover in this video, so stay tuned for that. And if you're watching the videos without subscribing, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today on 16th of January 2022, Telangana government have been released a new notification. So let's have a look. In continuation of the notification issued via GORT number, Education Program 2 Department dated 4th of January 2022. Government hereby extended the holidays to all educational institutions, which includes private, aided and government in the state of Telangana. So in the state of Telangana, government or private college or any other college, educational institutions are going to be having holidays up to 30th of January 2022, except medical colleges, all private, aided and government colleges are having holidays up to 30th of January. But from tomorrow 17th of January, some of the colleges or some of the schools and some of the colleges are conducting online classes from tomorrow 17th of January to 30th of January because of some notifications given by their universities. So up to 30th of January it is going to be holidays, but they are conducting online classes. So it is a good news or bad news? Comment down below. Do you guys want online classes or offline classes better? So this is the latest update from Government of Telangana about extended of holidays up to 30th of January 2022. Hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to our channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram. Link in the description box. Thank you for watching.